A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is space, time and energy, multidimensionality at its best. Ladies and gentlemen, in the boundless tapestry of the cosmos, three forces dance in perpetual harmony: space, time, and energy. Together, they form the triadic essence of existence, weaving every speck of matter, wave of light, thought of mind, and beat of the universe into a vast multi-dimensional symphony. This is not merely a tale of physics or philosophy, but a convergence of cosmology, quantum theory, biology, physiology, psychology, and ancient insight, all pointing toward the same truth. Existence is energy unfolding across dimensions. Space, the silent expanse, is infinite in stretch, elusive in boundary, and eternal in invitation. Instruments detect galaxies billions of light years away, yet only a fraction of its vastness has been charted. Time, formless and fathomless, flows through everything, not in linearity, but in omnipresence. It binds the past, permeates the present, and shapes the future, untouched by clocks, yet manifest in all transformation. And energy, the primal essence, forms the spectrum of existence. Photons and quarks, gravity and magnetism, dark matter and fusion, consciousness and thought, physical and non-physical, observable and yet to be observed. All three, space expanding, time flowing, and energy transforming, remain in ceaseless motion. This dynamic interplay births galaxies, kindles stars, drives evolution, and animates thought. From ancient Vedic hymns to modern day physics, the realization has grown. These are not separate forces, but interconnected dimensions of a single continuum. Human knowledge, shaped across civilizations, has advanced through physical endeavor, emotional depth, mental precision, and aspirational insight. The equation E equal to mc square stands as a profound bridge, capturing the essence of conversion, preservation, and transformation of energy across both the microscopic and the cosmic scale. Still, the human brain, a biological universe in itself, processes energy through limited sensory windows. What is perceived is but a fraction. Multiple dimensions remain unmeasured. The multiverse theory furthers this perspective, suggesting parallel existences and infinite energetic expressions. Understanding space, time, and energy as a triadic dimension opens pathways to deeper comprehension of life, consciousness, and creation. What is the way forward? Future understanding demands a convergence of advanced empirical science with experiential cognition and integrative awareness. Fields such as quantum biology, cosmopsychology, and neurophysics offer frameworks where observation, logic, and intuitive insight combine. A multidimensional model of knowledge inclusive of measurable fact and perceptual intelligence must evolve to explore the full scope of reality. This requires a culture of inquiry, unafraid to challenge paradigms and open to dimensions yet to be mapped. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, as the Bhagavad Gita profoundly states, the soul is unborn, eternal, ever existing, undying, and primeval. This timeless insight symbolizes the continuity and constancy of energy beyond decay, beyond form. That which animates life, whether described as consciousness, motion, or essence, does not vanish. It transforms. This mirrors every physical law and philosophical truth. Energy remains. In a universe where space stretches beyond measure, time flows beyond control, and energy transcends identity, the journey of understanding is both outward and inward. And in that journey, the realization may emerge that life itself is a multi-dimensional experience waiting to be known, not only by science or spirit, but through the harmony of both. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.